Hello and welcome back to this video tutorial series. In this video, we'll be animating a spider that has been modeled in RHINO. We are doing this because you might find that modeling in 3ds Max is unfamiliar to you and you need to animate something or would like to animate something. This is not a quick way of doing it, but it's definitely a way for you to, use your current skill sets to animate something. So this is the goal. So we've got this these legs modeled in here to animate this like so, create this animation rig. All right, so to get started, we'll select a leg that is aligned best to a plane. So I think it's this one here. We're just going to export this as an OBJ. There we go, just like so. Put it in a place where we can find it. I'm going to call it spider leg, spider leg 1. There we go. Okay. And we'll also be importing this as well, or exporting this as well, because this is our base that the leg's attached to as SB base 1. Okay, so I would just make sure you refine mesh and then just have all these settings like so, go OK. And we're going to jump over to a new 3ds Max file, go File, Import, and we'll get we want to go and find that file in project, and then go spider leg 1, open, 3 objects, flip X, Y, Z, Y axes so that it imports to the same location that we exported it as. Yeah, I think that's about it. We'll try this, import as editable poly. Oh, don't need that. All right, cool. So this will mean, so I've got all of these now. What we'll do right now is align this to the grid and adjust its pivot points. So we'll do that now. We just click the rotate button and we'll just align it best we can to that grid. Maybe a little bit more. And that'll do it there. Now, now that we have it somewhat aligned, we can come over to this perspective view using Alt middle mouse button click to orbit. Actually, I want to go probably front. There we go, that's good. We're going to select this one and we're going to come over to edit pivot effect pivot point only. We're going to move it, get the move tool and align. Okay, so now just like this one here is not aligned, so I'll align the pivot point to, yeah, we'll align the pivot point to this piece here. Like so, and we're going to turn that off so that we can then move it. It's good, important that we also make sure that it's in the right spot in all planes, so it's not at the moment, so it needs to be in the middle. Yep. Okay, so now that all of our pivot point centers are aligned, we're going to rotate it so that this is all on one straight line. This is we straighten this leg out. So turn that off. I'm going to rotate them. It's an approximation because it doesn't really matter if they're super accurate because it is just an animation. All right, perfect. So that's there now. I'm just going to save this real quick before if it crashes in this video, which I doubt it will, but just in case. Tutorial Real 8. Spiderweb. Okay, so now that we have this all straightened out, we're going to draw the bones in the middle of it in the top view. So we're going to go Create,